Where can you find your Shopify store URL? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly where you can find it in two different places. So the first one, which is the easiest one, if you just log into your Shopify admin, you can just click on online store and you should be able to see this view your online store thing. So you can just go and click on that. And this new page that will open up, the URL to it is pretty much the URL to your Shopify store. So you can just go in and copy that. So as I was saying, you simply just want to copy this and this is your URL. Now, another way, which is the more professional way in doing this, you can just go back to your Shopify admin and go to the settings tab from the bottom left. Now you just want to scroll down until you find domains, click on that. And in here, you're going to be able to find your domains, all of them. If you did connect your own personal domain, you're going to be able to find it here. And the primary one is going to be pretty much your store URL. So you can just click on that and you should be able to copy it from here. And you are good to go. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.